Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the system so driver installs build correctly. First, update packages with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y. This ensures dependencies match. Next, list available drivers using Ubuntu drivers devices or open software and updates right arrow additional drivers to see recommended choices. Also install the current kernel headers with sudo apt install linux headers $. Name R, because module builds need those files. Once done, you'll be ready to install vendor drivers or use the automated Ubuntu drivers auto install command. You now perform the detailed installation and configuration steps. For most systems, sudo Ubuntu drivers auto install will pick and install the recommended GPU driver. But if you need a specific version, use sudo apt install NVIDIA driver XXX or the AMD package set. Make sure DKMS and Build Essential are present so kernel modules compile across updates. Sudo apt install DKMS Build Essential. If Secure Boot is enabled, disable it or sign modules, otherwise modules may not load. Once packages finish installing, update initramps and prepare to reboot. You finish by rebooting and verifying the new drivers actually load. Run sudo reboot, then check with NVIDIA SMI for NVIDIA, or lsbcik and sudo lshwc display to confirm the active driver. If the desktop fails to start, boot into recovery or use the kernel parameter nomode set to reach a shell. Then purge the problematic driver with sudo apt purge NVIDIA * and reinstall or switch to the open source driver. One key troubleshooting tip. Examine dmesc and /var/log/syslog for module or firmware errors to pinpoint the fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.